If you've ever felt just broken, that all of the things that you've tried to do not actually get you the right result, right? You've tried supplements, so many different supplements, and then an elimination diet. Yes. Oh, I'm going to start the supplement and then I'm going to do an elimination diet. That's going to really take care of my issues. Oh my gosh, then a gut detox, right? These aren't bad things, and they're not necessarily wrong things to do, especially for the issues that you have. But oftentimes what is missed is really identifying the original system that needs help, and that is not being addressed by this alone, right? If you're wondering, oh my gosh, is there something fundamentally wrong with me because no matter what I try, it might help for a little bit, but then I just stall out and stop seeing progress. This is what we are going to dive into, right? I'm going to go through this because I hear this so often from women where they're saying, I've done this and that. I've been on these supplements. Maybe it helped, maybe it didn't. I work with this other provider and I'm not sure that it really is targeting the right thing. And so often it's because you're targeting a specific symptom, not a system. There's a huge difference. Right? If you are, bloated, right? And you're thinking, oh my gosh, I'm bloated. I know I'll start with a probiotic, right? I'm going to take a probiotic and then I'm going to add that probiotic and then I'll do a gut detox and everything else. Okay, great. That's not a bad thing to do necessarily, right? But here's the thing. If your gut lining is inflamed and permeable, meaning you have leaky gut, those tight junctions are not together, that's going to impact your absorption and everything else and lead to more nutrient deficiency. You can be taking the most, fantastic, highly developed and marketed probiotic on the planet. But all that's going to do is add more bacteria, even if it's healthy bacteria, into a dysregulated system and not address the actual underlying issue of the inflamed gut lining, right? It's not about adding more. It's about looking at what's going on. If you have PMS, right, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I'm going to take some magnesium. Oh, I heard Vitex is good too. Great. But if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I noticed a little bit of an improvement, but not a continued improvement, what's going on? Well, if you didn't address the elevated cortisol, that's also contributing to that progesterone issue, meaning elevated cortisol, right, steals the pregnenolone from the progesterone pathway. You're going to continue to try to support that progesterone for your PMS symptoms, but completely miss the issue of the cortisol continuing to drive down that progesterone. That's a really frustrating place to be. So what we're doing is a workshop. It's a live workshop. We're going to be going over all these systems: cortisol, progesterone, estrogen, DHEA, and androgens, and then your gut. This is, you will get this download to go through everything. I'm going to answer questions live, take you through this so that you understand what's going on in your system specifically, because so many times I hear women try things and just get stuck and frustrated because it's not for a lack of trying, right? It's not for a lack of research. I listened to this podcast. I saw this. I read this article. I looked these things up, and this is a reputable person. Yes, right? They're not saying information that's necessarily wrong. But what's being missed so often is the complete picture and how each system impacts the symptoms and how they all work together. That's what we're going to go through in this workshop. It gives you clarity and it gives you a place to start and really lets you understand what's happening for you specifically, right? And the other thing to understand is that just starting in an order like this, I'll do this first, do this next, do this next. Why, right? Why? This is not the order of how things should really be looked at. It's what is really the worst system, right? Is it cortisol? If cortisol is a factor at all in anything and you're not addressing your cortisol levels and working to actively regulate them, you're not going to get the right result. It's not going to happen. The biggest uphill battle you're fighting, right? It's wild. And so many times women are like, yeah, well, I guess I'm stressed, but I'm used to it. And you don't really see the full impact of how cortisol is really just like a wildfire running through everything and sometimes destroying all the really good work that you did. Yes. Cortisol, also connected with, estrogen, progesterone, gut, androgens, blood sugar levels, thyroid, right? All of it. And we're going to talk about all of it in detail in this workshop. If you're looking at, the gut issue too, that's another one, right? We have to target gut issues. You have to be able to absorb certain nutrients that are going to help your system regulate. So this is the order of things to look at, not which supplement should I take first, and then should I do an elimination diet or something like that. It's these things. This is the order to go in and really identify what's most important for you, right? When you start looking at, instead of which supplement do I need and which system is dysregulated and do I target, it completely changes the game for you in terms of what your energy goes into, what you do to apply, and then the outcomes that you have. Because you're actually going to start to see things shift and change and feel your body start to function better. When you function better, you feel better. It's as plain and simple as that. And that's what we target here. That's what we focus on, right? It's about the identifying patterns and getting the order right. So make sure you go click the link, join us. It's just $17. We are going to go through this. It's so valuable, and you're going to learn so much about what you have going on, how severe it is, and then where to start. All right. Make sure you leave any comments or questions for me that you guys have. Thank you for tuning in. And of course, if you know someone else that could use this message, please share this information with them. So many women do not know where to start. So many women are so lost, and they're saying, oh my gosh, I just saw this other thing. Let me try this other thing. Or so-and-so said this was great. And for some women, that can be true. Oh, I added this little thing in. I added this one thing. And maybe that was just the one thing that was missing for them. But if you've had issues for a long time and you know that there's, probably more than one system involved, you're going to be more of a complex case. And that's okay. You can still get clarity, understand what's happening, and where to start in this workshop live. So make sure you enroll soon. And I can't wait to see you there.